Good morning. Welcome to another Big Daddy D adventure. I'm here at the Guadalupe River under I-35. This is part of Lake Dunlap. So, ramp is still not underwater. Looks like something can get in, but water's very low. So, anyway, today I'm gonna pick up where my son and I left off, I think the beginning of July. I'm gonna go down to where we had the rapids. Last time my GoPro overheated and I missed capturing a bunch of bass we caught there. So since I did such good luck there, I figured I'd paddle down and we'd do it again. So this time we'll get it on video, hopefully, and hopefully they'll be there. So, well, I think the next 2 miles might be a little boring for most people looking at catching and fishing. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off and I'll pick you up whenever I get to the rapids. We'll go from there. Take care. Bye-bye. All right, welcome back. I'm almost to the rapids. We'll see how it goes today. Been playing with my new toy in my kayak. I don't know if you can see it, the new Garmin. So far it's been averaging, you know, 6 to 10, a lot of 4s the whole way. I don't think I hit anything over 10 feet on the way down. Most of it's been under 10. Again, which can be expected since the river's down like, I don't know, 8 to 13 feet. As you can see, some of these boat ramps are way out of water. So anyway, let's see where it goes. See if I can get through the rapids today. Hello, Mr. Turtle. Mr. Shell. Well, as I told my son last time, cowabunga, dude. Of course, that probably ages me a bit. It's kind of funny, my daughter likes that nowadays. She can't get enough of Bart Simpson, I guess. That's gonna leave a mark. Here we go. Guess the main thing is don't get stuck on a rock. Don't get turned sideways. Let's see what we can do here. Here we go. Yeehaw! Whoa, splash. A little bit of splash. Got a little bit of white water here. That was fun. It'll be fun getting back up. All right. So hopefully I got video today on that one. Yeah, it looks like it did. Yay! Let the adventures begin now, I guess. up here I'm gonna go ahead and pull over like I did with my son, and they got a nice little gravel bottom up here on the right, and what we'll do is we'll go ahead and fish that. It looks like the water's a little bit higher than last week, but not by much, if at all. Last week we had fun fishing along that shore down here, right here at the bend, and we'll try that again today. I'll just put out an anchor up here and we'll try it from there. All right, we are back. Got my kayak anchored there. We'll see what we can do today. Today I'm fishing with the little woolly booger with a propeller on it. The other day we were catching them right up on the bank. What you're going to see me do today is a bunch of mending where I throw a loop upstream. And that keeps my lure from pulling in the water too much. There you go. So he was waiting for it. That's a nice little bass. Oh, let's try that again. Thank you, sir. Might have to get a picture of you for Dad. Thank you. Let's see if you messed up my lure any. I've had a couple of times where they pulled the woolly booger down. There you go, a nice little woolly booger with a spinner on it. And one bass in the box. Now he waited for it to go downstream here. We'll see if they wait next time. One of the good things about getting out every once in a while in the kayak is I'm able to work an area a little bit easier. Yes, I could anchor and pick up anchor, and that should work too. In case it was deeper water. There you go. What do we got here? He's wanting to stay down. Another little bass. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. That's fun. There you go. Looks like I got another bass. I don't know. Maybe. Certainly trying to stay down. Oh, nope. Big perch. Goodness. That's a fun perch. Perch are pretty big whenever you can. I guess that's about as big as my hand. See if I got my ruler on my tape. Nope. Thank you, sir. So that guy was almost as big as the bass, but he fought better than the bass. Today they're liking a real slow retrieve. Whoops. I guess a majority of them hit it when it finishes going downstream, and I start pulling it. It starts coming upstream. Again, just trying to keep the mend so it's not pulling too fast there. That allows it to drop down a bit. They've been hitting right here in this section. Ah! Let him take it. I gotta move a little faster. Let's see what he is. Another perch. I have to admit, I don't mind catching perch when they're bigger than my hand. Another perch, hand size. I guess it goes to say hand size is pan size. There you go. There's a good sized perch. Slow down. Thank you, sir. Another good hand size. Hand size is pan size. Thank you, sir. Looks like, feels like a little perch. It's moving though. So far I've enjoyed these little perch are bigger than my hand. Ouch. Nice little perch. Thank you, sir. Another hand size, pan size perch. Alright, what do I got here? Ooh, we got another big perch. Oh. Nice big yellow perch. Again, whoa, that's bigger than hand size. That's hand size, pan size. Nice big yellow one. That was fun. There you go. What do I got this time? Perch. Oh, he's a spunky guy. That's a good sized perch. Thank you, sir. Go. Nice little bass. Oh, where'd he go? Nice little bass right off this point. Thank you, sir. There you go. Nice little bass. Thank you, sir. I knew there'd be something here. That's a little lure. Come on. Let's get out of here. Nice little bass. That's a little skinnier one. Perch. That guy was down in the plants. He's not big enough to live. There's a little bitty guy. Thank you, sir. And a little bass. Thank you, sir. That's That's a nice little bass. Thank you, sir. That one's a little bit bigger. Is that a perch or is that a bass? That is a big perch. Oh, that's probably one of the bigger perches I've caught today. He's big enough to lip. Look at that. He is more than hand size. Must mean he's pan size. Thank you, sir. There you go. Another big perch. Oh, that's a good sized perch. That's another hand size one. Good job. Thank you, sir. What we got here? I got a good sized perch here. Ouch. Thank you, sir. Welcome back. I figured on the way back I'd go ahead and try my luck at the first place I stopped this morning. Needed to stretch my legs a little bit anyway. There you go. Figured this spot was worth one more fish. Did I luck out and get a bass? Alright, nope, just a big old perch. That was fun though. Boy, that's a big perch. That's a handful. Or as I've been saying today, hand size is pant size. That is more than a hand size. He was fun, he fought. He fought like he did not want to go into the pan. Well, thanks for coming on another adventure with me today. We got a lot of bass and caught quite a few big perch today here on Dunlap Lake. I hope you enjoyed fishing with me and hopefully learned something along the way. As usual, if you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you want to go on more adventures with me, hit the subscribe button. As always, take care. Bye-bye.